if you have yet to try Uncle Steve Shake South Texas Red. Bold, spicy, full-bodied. Uncle Steve Shake, link is down below, and you can go and check out his website. I would prefer, if you've never had his stuff, to buy the whole package. I'm not sure which size bottle it is, and you get one of everything. There's 12 of them, and when you add it up, it's like $5 a piece. No, I don't know. Anyway, the South Texas Red, I'll show you here in a minute, because I'm going to make it two different ways, because I want mine spicy. Gigi does not. Alright? So I can take this seasoning and create it two different ways. So in this here, and I'll leave a link to this down below just in case you want one. Alright, so just spread just a tad in there. Get these two in there. And here's where the show comes on. So I'm not doing the flour and the egg and the batter. We're just gonna go in here, and on Gigi's we're just gonna go, oh, nice and easy like that. That's all she needs on hers. On mine, look at that. This is spicy, I promise you. Alright, we're gonna roll for it's gonna be a 30-minute cook. I'll check it at 10. I'll bring you back if I need to, because I may spray the top. If I spray the top now, it blows everything off of it. So let's just go. It's Papa Texas. This is Papa's kitchen. Yeah. Okay, let's hit the right button, Papa. There we go. Full blast. I got full blast. Alright. We are actually at the 15-minute mark. All I'm going to do, I'll be careful with it. Hopefully it's baking in. I have to get me some good olive oil on there. Alright, we're just going to go another 15 minutes. Alright, we're 20 minutes into the cook. We're done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it off. I'll let it continue there for just a second. Check that chicken out. One seasoning, spicy, cooked two ways, because two different people like different types of spice. Hot spice, regular, normal. Let's get it going. Got the South Texas Red. Uncle Steve Shake. Links down below. This is awesome. It's Papa Texas, Papa's kitchen. Alright y'all, so I messed up. I already did the taste test, and the camera wasn't on. Yeah. I want you to know, you can see this one, it's got kind of a lighter color to it. And then you see this one, it has more thicker. I think between the two of those right there, we got it all the way zoomed in, we're zoomed in all the way. As you can see the difference, this is the same seasoning. This one's fine. This one puts a kick in it and it's spicy. And I just think that, I mean, I love this stuff. This is fantastic on ribs and everything. But what's so cool about it is I didn't have to use two different seasonings for a cook for two different types of people's taste buds. And that's what I enjoy about it. Alright y'all, that's what I have for you. The link to this one is down below. Just go to unclesteveshake.com. You can find it. I extremely love that one. And Gigi's got a steak going on over there, and she put Uncle Steve's regular on that. She goes through that stuff like crazy. Anyway, it's Papa Texas, Papa's kitchen. See ya. Yeah. See you next Sunday.